AORE Laser, powering the world's manufacturing through precision intelligence. Spanning a massive 200,000 square meters, our facility is the engine of global production, anchored by a 110,000 square meter intelligent equipment center. We enable large-scale high-precision manufacturing and seamless delivery. Our advanced portfolio features ultra-high precision sheet metal laser cutting machines, 4-chuck pipe laser cutting machines, 3-chuck heavy-duty laser tube cutting machines, integrated sheetan tube laser cutting machines, 3D 5-axis laser cutting machines, and fully automated production lines, all engineered to maximize your operational efficiency. Serving 180 countries and regions, our commitment to you never stops. Our experts speak your language, supporting you in 12 languages, 24/7. Through our comprehensive global service ecosystem offering rapid response on-site assistance, expert technical training, and proactive full life cycle maintenance, we ensure your operations run at peak performance, always. AORE Laser, innovating for a smarter, sustainable future. All for customer success.